What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Dr. Vlad is in the house. First of all, I want to say thank you to every single one of you guys for all your positive comments and your feedback. You guys are just rock stars. Thank you very much. So we got a new patient. It's a 2018 Tesla Model X. Got a little injured, so we gotta do a surgery on it. We gotta replace the door, the quarter, and the rear bumper. So enough of this talk, and let's get to work. Alright, so let's take a closer look at this beauty. So rear bumper got damaged, so new rear bumper, quarter, new rear quarter, this is aluminum, and new door, because the door ripped obviously, so you can't fix that. So we're gonna remove the door, remove the bumper, and start cutting out the quarter panel. So this should be a fun project. And this is going through insurance, so this is an insurance car. Beautiful brand new Tesla. So we'll have this car back on the road in no time. It's gonna look like nothing ever happened. First we're gonna start with by removing the rear bumper, so we could see if there's any more hidden damages, but I don't think so. Everything looks pretty good for the most part. Little piece of metal from the door, I guess. So yeah, we'll remove the bumper and go from there. All right, the bumper is removed. So any more hitting damages you saw, buddy?
No, we're good for the most part.
Yeah, so we're good. So we're still waiting for the new quarter to come in. So once it comes in,
New quarter, new wing.
and we'll start removing it, and the door opens up like wings, like a bird. Fly like a bird. Yeah, so it's gonna be a fun little project. Right, we're starting the surgery on this bad boy. They removed the glass yesterday, so we gotta free as much as we can up here, and then we'll start cutting the quarter panel out. So yeah, we've got to loosen all this up, remove it, and get the surgery going. Alright, we removed the rear tail light, everything inside, the door trim. So now we could remove the door off. We have the access to the bolts. And so 2 bolts holding here and 2 bolts are holding here, and the door should come off technically, hopefully. And that's it, we got all the access to the quarter. Me and Pops are working on this project together. Alright, we removed everything. Right now we're just heating this up, try to pull it out as much as we can, make it straight before we start removing it. So yeah, that's what it looks like. The whole car is covered. and ready to go. So now I'll start grinding those spot welds off and removing the quarter panel. And here's the new quarter panel. Bam. So it should be
Self-fix it, no problem.
So it should be fun. Yeah, like I said before, for ourselves we could have saved this if this would be a salvage vehicle from a salvage auction. Then Dimitri would repair it himself with his eyes closed. But since it's going through insurance, we gotta do it the proper way. Safety goggles check, my gloves, and my tool. Let's rock and roll. Alright, so it's slowly coming off. So what they do, they use glue and then the spot weld throughout the whole thing. But in order for me to remove, I could use either this or this. But I feel like this is only good for like metal, heavy metal. So I like to use this machine, 3M spot grinder. So I like this a lot better. So yeah, slowly it's coming out. So we gotta drill the rest of those at the bottom, around here, and work our way down there. Let's check out the little progress report that we got going on. So it's coming out nice and easy, very simple for the most part. So let's take a closer look. So yeah, this side is practically off, and then I'll still go up to here and over there, but this is all loose pretty much. So we're going on track. So yeah, I'll drill all those out, grind them out, right here, and right here, right here. Boom, and it's off. And ready to put a new one. So probably take me another, right now it's 2 p.m., probably take me another hour and a half, 2 hours max. So let's get it. right, so everything is loose on this side. Same over here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And around here couple, and the quarter should come out nice and easy. So far, so good. Really easy for the most part, nothing difficult. And I like changing aluminum quarter panels because you don't have to drill like crazy like you would do with the steel, because it just comes off easily as soon as you grind it up a little bit, it just pops out. But yeah. It's 2:30, so probably got another hour or so and that quarter should come up. Easy. Alright, the quarter panel is off. Came out nice and easy. Let's take a look. Yeah, came out nice and easy. So now I'm gonna just go around, clean everything. Get the extra glue out because we're gonna apply some new glue. And pretty much ready for the new one. Yeah, nice and easy. And here's the new quarter panel. So just gonna slide in there over here and then up here, and that's it. And we'll put the panel bond glue and it will be ready to go. Alright, we removed the quarter panel, we cleaned everything up, put a little bit of primer, so this way nothing, no rust gonna get there, plus it's aluminum so it's not gonna rust, but for extra security, why not? So yeah, everything is clean and ready to install the new one, so we'll start doing that next. But yeah, came out really clean and nice. Wasn't that hard at all. Took me about 4 hours maybe. Alright guys, we're finished with part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. We'll be installing the quarter panel and securing it, getting the car ready for paint. So for now, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the thumbs up if you guys like the video. If you don't, still hit the thumbs up. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.